Hello guys, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss Python method overriding. Overriding is nothing but having method having same name and arguments in both base and derived. Then the method then derived is said to be override the method described in base. That means if we have given the same method name and arguments in both base and derived classes, then derived class overrides the properties of base class properties. This is nothing but a method overriding. Let's see this with the help of program. Class override 1 def of self shit. Next, print of base class. Okay. Now we need to create derived class override 2 of override 1. All the properties from base class to derived class will def display of self print of derived class. Now let's create an object for this. Object will be equal to, my object name is will be equal to create object for second method, because it is inheritance, right? Single inheritance, right? So all the properties from override 1 to override 1 is inherited to override 2. So I have been override 2. Then I've been calling ob.display function. Let's now run this. Derived class is printed, right? Here we have given same name and arguments. Same name, that is display method name is same and argument also self, only self. That means no arguments are passed. Okay. So base class is hidden but derived class is only printed. Okay. That means base derived class is overridden the base class, then only derived class is printed, base class is hidden. In order to access the overridden methods, we have to use superclass to access overridden methods. We need to use we need to use what? We need to use super function. This is the function which will allows you to access the overridden methods in Python. Okay. Just give here super dot display. Super dot display. Super dot display. Then let's see what will happen here. So both base class and derived class are printed. In that way, if we want to access overridden methods also, we will use super function. By using super function, we can access the hidden methods also. This is all about Python method overriding on super function. Thank you.